Hi, everyone. I'd like to welcome you today to our series of founder interviews. I'm here with Mensur, who is the founder of Weezly, a very innovative tool. It's one of the first to market, and I think you'll be very impressed. Just to introduce myself as well, I'm Luke. I'm the co-founder and CEO of CompareYourTech, an online marketplace to find software and service providers. So it's going to introduce you again to Mensur. He's the founder of Weezly. So would you like to introduce yourself?
Yeah, absolutely. My name is Mensur, founder of Weezly. I've been over in IT industry over 20 years. My fifth company is Weezly, and yeah, I created a tool which was never meant to be a tool, and like all my startups, and very happy with what we have achieved basically. And it's a tool that generates automated AI sales videos with scheduling and yeah, basically boosting your sales and getting more meetings booked. So yeah, long experience in IT. Very too long.
I know that's great. I mean, when I first saw it, I was so impressed. It's sort of like very innovative. It's going to really help with obviously the outreach, personalization, and automation. But what really made you come up with the idea of Weezly? What sort of pain points did you see, and how did you go about sort of really putting the first sort of stepping stones into building it?
Yeah, so basically, uh, as I said, Weezy was never supposed to happen. It was we started with the scheduling part, a little bit like similar to Calendly alternative, and that was we were just thinking to sell that part. And then I was thinking, oh, it would be great to have a video next to my booking page so people understand the purpose of the meeting, and that's how the whole video idea started. So what we built was basically it would be great to record videos as well. So we have something like alternative to Loom. And once we did that, then I was thinking, okay, but maybe we can combine the screen recording together with scheduling. And then I was trying to sell this, and then I realized, okay, but I'm actually recording the videos all manually. I really would like to automate this, and that's how we started to build the automated AI tool. So basically, I can record one video and send thousands of them. And I was just trying to solve one of my challenges, just to reach out to people in personalized way, because what I saw is that it's very hard to get through the email, and the video is a new way to reach out to people and be more personalized. And that's how it all came, and we transferred it into a video selling platform from something that started as a scheduling platform. So now we have the both parts, and yeah, looking forward to build the next part of the tool, hopefully soon.
Perfect. So yeah, you've got a solid roadmap because I see you've partnered with a number of other sort of SaaS companies to like complement your service with them as well. So
Yeah,
obviously, it's an ever-growing sort of ecosystem of platforms you're working with.
yeah.
Who would you say would be really like the core sort of industry or people that you will, it would be focused on Weezy? Obviously, it's like the outbound sort of personalization marketing. Is there any sort of strong industry that you've seen of sort of picking that up?
Yeah, so there are actually two right now target groups that we are focusing on, and the first one is lead gen people and lead gen agencies, because what they do is they send a huge amount of emails, and they are really trying to stand out. So that's number one, and number two is actually the sales teams and salespeople where we are focusing on, because they're also trying to get uh, through the buzz. And the reason for that is it's harder than ever to reach out to new potential clients with email and everything, because everybody's just spamming everyone. So people are very tired of reaching to respond, and this will help both lead gen people and sales team really to get through this buzz and get more meetings booked and more sales.
Perfect. Yeah. Through
Mm.
LinkedIn, I get a number of sort of voice messages and videos, and I pretty much always listen to every single one and watch every single one because obviously someone's gone to the effort to do that, very
Yeah.
personalized. And even if you don't listen to it, you're always like, I don't know what they said, what are they going to say, So you do it. So I think it's really engaging and really sort of nice way to outreach people, and it shows the effort that you've gone towards that as well.
Yeah, exactly.
Especially like I know you'll be showing a sort of quick overview of like Weasley shortly, but how
Mm.
you can personalize things like the backgrounds, the voice
Yep.
cloning, and areas like that as well to make that really sort of more
Mm.
personalized touch as well to
Yep.
give that,
Yep.
which is
Exactly.
really good.
Yep.
Um,
Exactly.
so how long from sort of the idea did it take to develop the platform?
So
to market?
basically, how we went was it was very quick, to be very honest, because it took a year and maybe 2 months to build a whole platform, and we are extremely small team. And what I'm truly impressed by this, because if you take Calendly, 1,000 people, if you take Loon, 1,000 people, we are just very few people who have built this in just 1 year and 2 months. And basically, we have three huge products into one. And one thing I think the most common comment I'm getting from a lot of people, especially those who build software, is they are just amazed how we are so fast and how can we build so fast. And I think we have found the golden recipe here on how we do this, and it's really working for us in terms of shipping new features. So what maybe it would take 3 months to ship for someone, we can totally do it in 2 days, 3 days, just because we have a very, very good way of working in the company. And I think that is really helping us standing out compared to many of our competitors, because they're having hard time to catch up.
But yeah, now I mean I'm on LinkedIn daily and I see sort of nearly daily updates of new features or collaborations or integrations. So,
Yeah,
that's in this market as well. To keep ahead of that, you definitely need to integrate with other sort of softwares in their tech stack and make that really journey throughout their day.
yeah,
Otherwise, if you're jumping from one tool to another,
yeah,
certainly it can sort of be time consuming, but also sort of prices stack up and all that sort of things as well to try and have a tool that does different things. Good stuff.
exactly.
So, did you want to show a quick
Yeah,
overview, or not a quick overview, an overview of Weezly? Because I know it's
yeah,
got a comprehensive tool, but no, that'd be great
yeah,
to
I
see.
can do that, absolutely. So I will just share my screen. There we go. If I jump over Weezly, Weezly is consisting of three different parts. One part is the scheduling, screen recording, and automated videos. And if I go quickly to this page, we can create these types of, similar to Calendly, where people can book meetings and you can customize your logo and background. But what we have here is videos of people understand the purpose of the meeting. And then another part that we have is actually something, one of my absolute favorites is Time Slot Picker. So basically I will see all my events here, and then I can also request the calendar to see my colleagues' events. And then if I want to propose time for a meeting, I can just select few times where I see availability, hit create, and then I can just copy this link and send it to someone. They can book meeting based on what I actually proposed here, which is absolutely my favorite. And I booked over 250 meetings through LinkedIn with this feature. And then we have the screencast. Basically, it's like a Loom recording. I don't know if this will work because I'm already sharing my screen through Zoom, but let's see if this, nope, the camera won't because I'm already sharing the camera. It's basically a Loom alternative. So you can record the screen like this, and then you can share, you can preview the video, and you can share this video with someone. But what we have that is very unique, the booking page, which I created to book meetings, you can actually embed it next to your video. So when you share this video with someone, they can actually watch this video and book a meeting with you based on your availability, which is really, really awesome. And the third option that we have, and this is where the magic happens. So we basically started building Weezly with this function, then we extended with this one, and then we created this one. And automated videos, you can either create one automated video or tens of thousands of those. And if I just start by using one, basically what you do is selecting one video message which you want to reach out to people. So instead of you recording the same message, you can reuse this message all over and over again. And if I select one video message which I want to use, I can just, for example, I can enter any website here, and I can customize this website. So I can just say that I want to add a title. So for example, hi Mensur, and I can add this booking page. So I can basically create the video and just hit create automated video, and the video will be created in a split of a second where someone can watch the video. So, and this is all automated done. So I don't need to record this message all over again. And one functionality that we have as well is we can create multi-videos, which is really cool. So for example, we can start with someone's LinkedIn profile. Let me just, anyone's, let me just see, for example, if I take this so we can create the video which starts maybe on someone's LinkedIn profile, and then after a while, we can switch to my website. And what I can do then is switch to another website. And this is really cool because then what you can do is basically tailor make. So it looks like you actually on someone's LinkedIn, then you jumped over to their website and then to my website, and you can also drag and drop when this switch should happen. And you can preview the video. And now it will jump to their website, and then it will jump to my website. And this is pretty cool because then you can create these kind of videos very quickly. And what we have the option right now is we have option to generate tens of thousands of these videos. And the easiest way is just create a campaign, sales campaign, and then you can import the CSV of 10,000 leads and just generate these type of videos. And once you have generated them, then you can actually, if you have generated a huge amount of videos like I have here, you can actually share this and send this through many of our integrations that we have. But the best part of Weezly is actually not everything you do in the tool, but it's actually one of our extremely powerful Chrome extensions. And what we do is, for example, we have integrated Weezly directly in, I'm going to search, no, person here. So what we have done is multiple things. The first thing is, for those more advanced users, we have implemented a webhook feature here. So you can send these leads LinkedIn and their information to a webhook. So for example, Clay and somewhere enrich the person and then send them to HeyReach, etc. I use now today to connect with people on LinkedIn through this way instead of connecting regularly, because what I do is I send this person to Clay, enrich the person, and then I send the sequence into HeyReach and La Growth Machine and connect with these people. So they get a video from me as soon as I connect with them. And one other option that we have is that we have integrated Weezly in so many places. Here we integrated in LinkedIn. So for example, if I want to schedule a meeting with this person, I can just send link to one of my booking pages. And in 1 second, they can just book a meeting with me if they click on this link. And same thing, if I don't want them to select times which they want, what I can do is just click on the Weezly icon again and then propose time for a meeting. And then I can just select a few times when I would like this person to book a meeting with me, click create, send, and then this person can actually book a meeting with me based on those times which I proposed. And this is how I book 250 meetings on LinkedIn with this function here. That is amazing. And the last but not least, in LinkedIn, what we can do is if I want to send an automated video just for this specific person, what I can do is click on the Weezly icon and then automated video. And what Weezly will do is open up in LinkedIn. I can select the video message which I want to reach out to this person, for example. And then what we will do is take this video message and add it on their LinkedIn, so it will look like I have actually talked to this person and I've been on their LinkedIn profile. And I can customize this, for example, hi Armin, and I then simply hit create automated video. So automated video will now be created directly in the conversation with this person, which is pretty cool. And we have also integrated Weezly into many lead gen tools. One is the HeyReach, another one is La Growth Machine, and we have many others on the way. And if I just show you HeyReach, for example, if you import a huge list of leads in HeyReach, what we can do is basically it doesn't matter which list it is, but we can then go and create videos directly for these people in HeyReach. So you will see this is all thanks to Weezly Chrome extension. So basically, if you create automated videos, you can create automated videos directly for all these leads in LinkedIn. And what we will find is if we, for example, if you find the leads website, what we will do, we will build a video which starts on every leads LinkedIn. And then maybe I want to switch to their website. And then